All right, guys, so we're going to be doing an exhaust comparison between active exhaust versus non-active exhaust. So the yellow Mustang has active exhaust and the blue one does not. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn on the blue one first. Hear how it sounds. And then we're going to go ahead and turn on the yellow one. So there you have it, guys. We have both exhaust revs. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Either the active exhaust is louder or the non-active exhaust is louder. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please go ahead and drop a like. Please subscribe to the channel for more future content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.